Hi everyone and welcome to TechStum's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Face ID for wallet and Apple Pay. So for that, first go to the settings app. Now in the settings app, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode to continue. And in this page, you will find the option for wallet and Apple Pay under use Face ID for. From here you can disable or enable it. So whenever you enable it, you can simply use Face ID for your wallet or Apple Pay. If you disable it, you can't simply use the Face ID for those applications. So that's it. Thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe.